Katabi mo talaga siya sa labas. Apart. Widen. Widen. Apart. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Release your hands. Wet your hands again. I'll assist you at this point. Relax your hands. Nakakatakot naman ang kamay mo at may ahas. Hold. Relax po. Relax. Okay, ikli mo yung tamo sa loob. Huwag mong iipit sa grip. Relax. Hindi pa lakasan ng kamay to, sir. Slide your hands up lang po. Relax and slide up. Okay, you have to relax and slide up. Gently and slowly slide up. Until the tip. Hold. Hold. Okay, one more time. I-relax mo ang kamay mo, sir, para makagawa tayo ng cylinder. Slide your hands up. Hold it. Release your hands. Wet your hands again. Widen it by pushing from your left. Ito po, wala tong pressure. Straighten this, clip your thumb. Push to this part, not with your fingertips. From the bottom, wala tong pressure. Relax ang right here. Now gently push out and slide up. Oh, walang nangyari sa ginawa mo, sir. Longer and more pressure. Longer, push muna bago akyat. Push muna, huwag akyat agad. Towards here. Slide up. Yan. Slowly po. Slowly po ang pag-akyat. Maintaining your pressure though. Yan. Hold it there. Good job. Wet your hands. Isa pa. Isa pa. Hold. Lahat po. 4 fingers. Yan. Push muna toward the side bago akyat. Slowly po. Slowly. Yan. Slowly ang pag-akyat. And not the fingertips. The wall of your fingers. Maintaining your pressure until the tip. Hold it at the top to balance. And then release. Bakit ka na-offend? Hindi. Wet your hands. From the bottom. Hold.
Gagawin ko ng heart.
Hindi. Mamaya na yung heart.
Kasi sinasabi ko sa Erika, dedicated si Sir sa paggawa ng heart.
Slide up. Slide up. Hold it there. Yan. Release your hands. Tama na.
Okay na
Gawin
yan.
muna ang heart. Sandali lang. Sandali lang ha.
Paano yan gawin?
I-stop ko muna. Stop ko muna.
Diamond na.
I-smoothen muna natin, sir, yung ito para the same yung thickness niya kasi mas makapal sa baba, and then may hold it there. Dry it.
Papa dyan.
Sige, ang heart iganon mo tapos yan. Slowly lang. Yan. Tapos dito. Slowly lang. Slowly naman. Oh. Oh, diba?
Tara lang, picture tayo dito.
Oh.
Picture
Alam mo, pag ganun.
Picture mo silang dalawa dyan.